Alright, I'm setting up or running the mini for the Falcons, the Ravens, and the Panthers. We got Jesse, Sean, Jeremy all on the list. So we're going to go ahead and put you guys up. Jesse, Sean, Jeremy, all on the list. Sorry about the notifications, guys. Alright, so time is 10:06, 10:06. We got break 3 mini Falcons, Ravens, Panthers. Go back over here. And right where it says setting up, we'll type live. There we go. It's 10:07. Go over here to our sheet. It's 10:07. 10:07. To die, anything higher than 6. 3 is not higher than 6. There we go. 9. 9 is our number. Total rounds 9. There we go. Just list is still the same. Again, giveaway. We know I pay as I go right now. First round is done. Second round, third round, fourth round, 5 round, 6 round, 7 round, 2 rounds left, 1 round left. The time here, I guess that's their time, but my time it's 10:07. It is 10:07. So we'll go ahead and run the last round. Here we go. Jesse, Ray, Mingo, you run these 3 teams. Congratulations. Jesse, Ray, Mingo, done. Here we go. I'll see you guys soon in the break as soon as I get everything else set up. Talk later.